nature views support increased worker productivity, less job stress, higher academic grades and test scores, and less aggression in inner city residents. When we are out in nature, we are generally self propelled, breathing in oxygen, liberating our lungs and our cardiac capillaries from their usual cramped, desk hunched configurations are arresting temporarily the slow backward death march of our telomers. Exercise as a cure for all things has been so drilled into public health establishment that it crowds out everything else, with the impossible exception of quitting smoking and washing hands.